Christy Casciano.
I'm Jeff Kulikowski. Chobani's plans for Rome, promising to secure not only its future, but also farming's.
An enormous amount of milk will be needed. And as News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan shows us, much of it will come from rural central New York.
Joel Reelman is back on his farm in Fabius, an hour away from the future factory in Rome. He was there for Chobani's swanky announcement.
Very inspiring and, very, very excited for the future.
He feels these major modern expansions by big companies are the only way family farms survive to the next generation. Chobani claims it will need the milk from 1 in every 4 cows New York has today.
We can't do this on our own. We're going to need upward of 10 and 12 million pounds of milk a day to support this facility. So obviously, we're not in the dairy business. We don't own any farms or cows. We're going to need our ecosystem partners.
This farmer wants to be the preferred partner. He already trucks tons of milk to Chobani's Shenango County plant. To expand that relationship to Rome, he's looking for more than cows.
If you have a lower carbon footprint than, say, either your neighbor or other parts of the country, I mean, if you can't tell me that Chobani can't take that and run with that and market that, then I believe they can, and we want to be on the forefront of that.
It's not just technology helping reduce the farm's carbon footprint, but the cows are more efficient themselves. They make better milk than ever before. It's credited to an improvement in what they're fed, their nutrition, and designed genetic superiority.
The farmers need to feel good to invest back and bring some of the old farmers back to life, especially family farmers.
Feeding an industry that feeds New York State. In Fabius, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.